Welcome to Be Empowered. I'm Jim, and on today's episode, we're going to add some sounds to our garage.
If you're new here, I'm Daniel, and on today's video, we are going to be building 4 speaker boxes. Oh, I can't wait. This thing is going to sound awesome. If you missed the review of the amp we're going to use to power these, go ahead and click up here and we'll link it so you can watch it. What we're going to do is we've got 2 pieces of MDF, medium density fiberboard, and we're going to put a 12-inch speaker, a 5-inch mid-range, and a horn tweeter. This thing is going to sound awesome. We've kind of already tested these a little bit just to see what they sound like with that Powell amp, and it sounds amazing. And when we put these suckers in boxes, this place is going to be bumping. So with that said, let's open these up so you can see what's in them, and we'll do a little review on what we got.
If you like today's content and you want to see more cool stuff like this, hit the like and subscribe button down there. Hit that ding dong bell down there so you know when we upload a new video. And check us out on Instagram right here at the bottom. So let's get at it and unbox this stuff. Okay, so we wanted to get some audio in the garage, something that was inexpensive, didn't cost a whole lot, which means DIY. We're gonna unbox all this stuff and show you what we have. We're gonna go ahead and pop them open. Take our blade. I haven't taken a peek in here. We ordered these from Newark, but we'll have a link in the description on these two. Wow, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we got some speaker terminals. These are our mid-range drivers. We've got 4 of these. Oh wow, check that out. It's a polycone. Man, that's pretty heavy too. This is an 8-ohm woofer. It's a 5-inch.
That's nice.
That's pretty nice. Okay, we got 4 horn drivers. These are 3x7 piezo horn drivers. So we've got 5-inch mids and 3x7 horns. This will make the crisp, clear highs along with your mid-range for your vocals.
It's going to make that delicious sound.
That nice crisp sound. All right, now here comes the goodies.
Here comes the boom.
Here comes the boom. Last call for putting it in the comments. Go ahead and pause the videos. Tell us what you think these are.
Man, those look clean.
Clean. That's a 12-inch subwoofer. I think these are going to do very, very well. They're rated at 120 watts RMS, 240 watt peak at a 4-ohm load. I'm not going to go into all the details of the audio loads and stuff, but we have 4 of these, and these are MCM Electronics Select subwoofers. They have a rubber surround instead of the foam and a poly-coated cone, so hopefully they can stand up to the temperatures of the heat and the cold better than regular foam and paper subwoofers out in this environment. What's in the box? Now we got this box, this little tiny box. Looks like we got some mounting clips. Waffle grills.
That's going on a thumbnail.
So these will be on our subwoofers like this to protect them while they're out in the garage. We ordered some 5-inch waffle grills for our mid-ranges over here, but they haven't came in yet. So with these waffle grills, these speakers can take a beating out here in the garage in case they fall over a piece of board or something. You never know, the way we throw manuals around, something may hit it.
We have our plans. We have a straight edge to mark everything. We got everything ready to go. Now we're going to measure and mark everything so we can get cutting on this. Let's get at it.
me see. Where do you have to go?
All right, we got all our pieces cut out for the most part. For 4 speakers, we got to do a couple more on this board, but our router bits, the one we have broke and we don't have another one to fit, so we have to go get a router blade and a jigsaw to finish up. So we're gonna call it a night and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.